are you all doing? I hope you are as happy and excited as me because we won the football. Did you watch it? Even if you didn't watch it, even if you don't like football, you've got to be a bit excited and a bit proud that we are through to the semi-finals now. I mean, I'm not really that much into football, but I do enjoy things like World Cup and the Euro and things. And it was amazing. It was so good. Like, just to know that we are finally getting a bit further and feeling the national pride, all of us shouting at the TV. It was very exciting. Anyway, so that was my exciting day today, and spending a little bit of time in the sun on like a sun lounger was perfect. Loved it. Sun lounger is the best way, not the grass, not sitting on a chair, sun lounger. So yeah, that was my happy day. And to complete my happy day, I'm going to do an unboxing for you. And on the side of this box, it says happiness comes in waves. And I am on a happy wave all the way until, what is it, Wednesday, the next match? Shall I get back onto the subject of what I'm here for, which is to unbox July's Glossybox. Now just look at it. Isn't this beautiful? So it's like aquamarine. We've got things that looks like the sea. We've got fish all over it. Shoals of fish. Is that what we say? Shoals of fish? I think so. And it just looks beautiful. So if you want to find out with me what is swimming around inside this month's Glossybox, then I'd love it if you could hit the subscribe button, join my high def family. Of course, you can ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and give me a big thumbs up. Alright, let's get into the video. Glossybox is a monthly subscription box, £10 a month plus 3.25p and p, and it's really good. I've been having this for a long time now. This one is actually free because of Glossy credit, so thank you to lovely people who have been using my code to subscribe to Glossybox. And of course I've been answering my surveys and things on there to get more Glossy credit, so I can get a free box. I love free stuff. I know you can save them up to buy things on the Look Fantastic website, but I just really like getting a free box. I've been getting this for a long time and I've been loving it for a long time. Pretty much Glossybox doesn't do wrong at any point, and it's usually one of the highest value boxes every month. So let's open up. Normally it comes in a pink box with black writing, but they do these beautiful special edition boxes from time to time. Even inside we've got this beautiful aquamarine and the Glossybox symbol, and then we've got a card. You don't want to see that because it tells you too much. No, something's going to fall out if I keep doing that. Oh, it's all kind of gone to one sort of corner. It's not easy to see, is it? Okay, let's just dip in. So this month it says, Aloha Glossies, get your bikinis at the ready because we're feeling tropical. We love the ease of holiday beauty, from bronze skin to the mermaid waves you get after swimming in the ocean. We're bringing you the delights of the tropics so you can go from beach to the bar in style. This month's edit is filled with beach babe essentials, from an ocean-infused wave creator for your hair to a shimmering makeup brush. Your July edit also features beauty staples, including an extraordinary saver for your teeth, along with a sixth extra treat to protect your skin. Glossies, let's dive in. And we have a sneak peek for August. Embrace your individuality with this intense cruelty-free eyeshadow from Thrina, a brand who encourage diversity and self-expression through makeup. Highly pigmented, easy to apply, is a must-have for a striking look. And it actually looks like it's a tube of paint. That's cool. So let's just go. We've all seen this before. At least I imagine everybody has. Palmer's coconut oil body lotion. I have had this before. I do like it. I don't like these bottles very much because when it gets to the end it's really hard to get the stuff out, banging the bottle away and things. But I do like the lotion. I always thought it was a bit weird to wear coconut body lotion because I was brown. Something weird in my head. I thought if I smelled like a coconut, people would laugh at me. How strange is that? I don't know, that's just come into my mind from like year 7 or 8 at school. So I've avoided coconut moisturisers all my life. But this is the second one of these I've had, and I have to say it's good, and I'm not avoiding it anymore. I'm a big girl now. I don't care if I smell like a coconut. It's got no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten, no sulfates and no dyes. And it's formulated with ethically and sustainably sourced ingredients, for 24-hour moisture. I do think this could have been slightly bigger because I know that this is not a super expensive moisturiser, but I do like a body moisturiser and it does work. I would use this on my body, even though normally I don't like scented ones. I do find that this one soaks in okay and is okay for me. Some sea and sand can lead to very dry skin, so we're bringing you this nourishing skin saviour made with ethically sourced raw coconut oil and Tahitian monoi oil. It provides your whole body with 24 hours of moisture. It's bursting with vitamin E and free from all nasties, including parabens, etc, 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 etc. Deluxe Mini. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I love the packaging. Hawaiian Tropic Duo Defense Sun Lotion with protective anti-pollution layer. Oh, that's good. 30 SPF. Warning, avoid midday sun. Oops. And it's 4-star UVA. And it says UVB protect as well. This is Duo Defense Sun Lotion by Hawaiian Tropic. We've included a little extra treat for the summer months. This new sun lotion not only contains high UV protection, but also includes an anti-pollution layer for Duo Defense. Infused with green tea extract, mango, guava, papaya and passion fruit, it totally transports you to the tropics. Oh, this is so super cute. Oh, look. It's a shell brush. Let me get it out of the packet. From Inuit. This is full size and it's a cheek shell brush. Cooling all mermaids. This shimmering shell brush from Korean brand Inuit is a fabulous multitasker with short, super soft bristles. It's perfect for precision contouring, bronzing and highlighting. This gorgeous addition to your makeup bag is also vegan friendly and cruelty free. Okay, so I guess we're like, yeah. So yeah, you could definitely contour, you could definitely highlight. What else did it suggest? Bronzing. Yeah, I suppose you could bronze with it too. You could use the whole of it, or you could just use the point for more delicate work. That is very cute. I do like it, and I do like the shape of it. I do agree that I can use it for the things they've suggested. I can never have too many brushes because I really need to clean my brushes. So please send more. Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara Waterproof. Waterproof mascara for extreme volume, ultra black, ophthalmologically. Why do they make it so hard? Ophthalmologically tested. Got there in the end. So it looks like this. Jetting off, we all know poolside panda eyes aren't a good look, so we brought you this waterproof mascara that will stay put in the pool. Not only will it result in ultra black lashes, it's smudge proof too. The extra large brush coats each individual lash for extreme volume and length, so you'll look like you're wearing falsies. Get fluttering those lashes glossies. That's full size. Well, now we have to have a look at this brush, don't we? They weren't joking when they said it was a big brush. That is the kind of brush I like. It's like the size of my eye. I did need a new mascara in this kind of style. Has picked up my lower lashes very nicely. Obviously I'm wearing false lashes on the top, so I can't really do much with this now. I do think that's nice, but I can't wait to try it on my whole, you know, top and bottom lashes. That is the proper test. Right, what have we got? 2 items left. Let's do this one. This, I really like the packaging. Let's start with a positive. Pinks, purples, very nice. But I'm not excited about this. Seawater hairspray. So I guess it's supposed to make your hair wavy, and my hair is already wavy. So I'm not really sure how this is going to help me. It's full size, which is nice. Sun, Sand and Sea Salt Hairspray. This will help you to achieve the beachy mermaid waves you've been dreaming of. It's the perfect heat-free curl enhancer for that effortless windswept I've not even tried look. After shaking, we recommend spraying onto damp hair and twisting some strands to create more texture. You can also spritz this onto dry hair to reactivate waves and add beachy texture. And this tiny bottle is £16. Wow. That is a lot. Yeah, so I guess, I mean, my hair is already curly now, so there's no point me spraying it on there. I could give it a try without putting my normal L'Oreal product in my hair and see how it goes, but I'm not really sure this is going to work for me, to be honest. I think my hair will just be frizzy and a bit crunchy, but hey, maybe it won't, maybe I'm wrong. This is the last item. What is it? Oh, I thought it was a mask then. It's not, is it? Regenerate enamel science. Okay, advanced toothpaste. Regenerate enamel mineral. Reverse the early erosion process. Oh, actually, I need this. I do need this. Acts on invisible early stages of enamel erosion. Helps regenerate enamel by restoring mineral content and micro hardness with regular use. Clinically proven. Once you've tried it, you won't go back. This is the first toothpaste of its kind to regenerate enamel and reverse the early erosion process. The ingredients from a fresh supply of enamel minerals which wrap around your teeth. For the best results, use this in place of your regular toothpaste. This is a deluxe mini size from Regenerate. Okay, I am definitely going to try this because I do find that my teeth are getting like little holes in them here and there, which the dentist says, don't worry about, it's fine. But I'm like, surely stuff is going to go in them and my teeth are all going to fall out, and I do have a lot of problem with teeth cracking and things like that, so anything that can help is a bonus. Right, let's just put a little bit on my finger, and it's kind of like pearly white, shiny with like reflective bits in it, like little sparkly bits. So if you wanted sparkle in your toothpaste, this is the one to go for. Initially just tastes nice mint, but then there's like a hint of what I call fake toothpaste. It's not really fake toothpaste, it's certain brands of toothpaste, because I normally use Sensodyne, and then you've got like the pro enamel version and you've got a whitening version, and there's a pro enamel version that tastes like this, which maybe means that it's got the stuff in that does it. It's not my favourite flavour, but it is tolerable. I don't know, all I can describe it is like fake sugar. That's what it reminds me of, because I don't like diet drinks and fake sugar stuff, and that is what the aftertaste reminds me of, but it's not terrible at all. I'm definitely going to use this and give it a try, and we will see how we go if I feel like my teeth are any better. Okay, and that is it. Just based on these products, this isn't a very exciting box this month. I mean, I can use all the stuff apart from the hairspray, but it's not really giving me the wow factor, you know what I mean? Let me just add it up and have a think. So this month's box value is £36.61, including the 60p sachet or 61p sachet. So my house just will not stop making noises when I want to speak to you guys. Like, shut up everything. So that is at least, well, it's all coming up to 3 times the box cost, which is great. I don't know why, I just do not feel anything about this box. I really quite like the little brush. Everything else is just leaving me a bit like, oh yeah, that's nice, I can use that. I think we've seen the coconut oil body lotion so many times. Maybe they've changed the formula or something, but I think we've had that so many times that it should be a big one or something else. It would have been nice to have a bottle size of the Hawaiian, of the suntan lotion instead. Yeah, I don't know. How do you guys feel? I just feel this is a bit like, yeah, I just don't feel excited about this month's box. But maybe I'm being unfair. Let me know what you think about it down below. I'm sure I will be back with Glossybox next month, so never fear. If you have a bad month one month, that doesn't mean it'll be forever. So it's always good to give Glossybox another chance, because it's been a long time since I felt like this, if ever, about Glossybox. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful to find out about these products. Until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.